Hey you all, welcome back to yet another video. On this video I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to do this easy and quick natural hairstyle that you can do for work or school or for any occasion for that matter, because this hairstyle is elegant, it's neat, it's laid, it is stunning for anything you want to do. So let's get straight into this video without talking too much. I'm going to be using Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Gel. I am going to be using a comb. I'm going to be using a detangling brush, and also I'm going to be using hair ties for this hairstyle. I'm going to start by opening a middle diagonal part, and that will be for our swoop. So it's mostly a rectangle in front. The side where the hair is going to go doesn't have to be too neat, so my hair is going to go on this side, so I'm not making it too neat. I'm just going to swoop that hair that side. Then I'm going to take a hair tie and tie that hair down, just so that we can work in parts and not have too many complications when we are opening the other lines. I'm also going to open another diagonal part on the back of my hair, so it's going to be a zigzag line going to the end of my hair that I'm going to open up now. Just follow the video. A trick to open neat lines at the back of the hair is just to use your hands to guide you. If you feel like your hair is not that neat and the lines are not that straight, use your hands to follow the comb and also open more neater lines. I'm just tying up these two parts so that we can work in sections and not have disturbances. I'm using this detangling brush just to lay my hair flatter. I'm not combing all the way through, just brushing on top. I'm then going to take that Aunt Jackie's gel and try to put it on top only. I'm only putting it on the top layer of my hair, making sure that I'm smoothing the hair down. I'm not going to put a lot, because I want it to dry as quickly as possible. This is supposed to be a quick hairstyle where you just do it, it dries fast, and you're out on the go. So that's what I'm going to do on each section that I've opened on this hair. I'm just going to put that gel, lay the hair down, and try to make it as flat as possible, also using that detangling comb and using my hands. I'm then going to take a hair tie and tie it around that section of hair that I was putting gel on. I'm going to just maybe put hair tie around my hair 3 times or so, and then with the remaining hair tie I'm just going to twist it around, and then I'm going to clip it down to make sure that this section is tight enough to make sure that I have that sleek look on those sections. I'm going to do it on the other side also, doing the same exact thing that I did on the other side. Now for this front section, which is the last section, I'm just going to untie it and then lay it to the side that I say I'm going to have the soup on, which is the side, and then I'm going to put gel on the side where it's going to be laying flat, just on top. I'm not putting a lot of gel. I'm then going to use that detangling brush just to lay the hair flat and also to smoothing it down just so it blends with the hair that I've already tied down. I'm then going to take another hair tie and I'm going to tie the section down with this section that I have on the side where the soup is. Before tying it down, I make sure that the hair is really flat and laying down and it is sleek. For those ends, I'm going to separate them into two sections and then I'm going to twist them down. That's what we're going to be using to do that sort of updo bun at the back of the hair. If your hair is not long enough, you can also use extensions for this part. You can let me know if you want me to do this exact same video, but now putting extensions for those with shorter hair, and I'll be sure to do it. Just leave a comment down below. Now that you have those 4 twists, I'm going to crisscross those twists onto the other side and also use clips to clip them down. So from either side it's going to be crisscross and clip down, and the other side is going to be crisscross and clip down, making sure that I clip them down in a way that will not create gaps or just make it look funny. It's going to be neat, it's going to be smooth, and it's going to flow. And then it's going to look like this. It's very nice and neat. And then I'm going to just put a hair scarf maybe for an hour or so just to lay it flat. And when I am done laying it flat, I'm just going to do my edges. This is optional. I'm just doing my edges after I've already laid that hair flat, because the edges should be lost because they're the most easiest to mess up. I'm then going to put that headscarf on again, but this time it's only going to be until I'm done doing my makeup. So now I am done. The big reveal. This hairstyle is easy, it's elegant, it's sleek, and it's a low maintenance hairstyle that you can just wake up every day after wearing a scarf and spraying your hair with water. You don't have to do a lot to it on the next day. Leave a comment below on what you'd like to see next or what you liked about this video, and I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.